Hi guys, welcome to another video. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to enable spatial wallpaper on iOS 26. So first, let's open the photo and let's search for any photo you want. And then click this forward button here in the bottom left. And then go to use as wallpaper. So we just have to adjust it. So let's say for example I want this kind of wallpaper to be a 3D one. So I'll just have to click this button here on the bottom right, this one beside the three dots, and you just have to click it. And I'll zoom it out again. And then as you can see, the 3D wallpaper is already enabled. As I move my phone away and in, it's already enabled. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching.